welcome back to my channel. My name's Shannon. If you're new here, don't forget to go down there and click subscribe. So as you can see, I'm looking a bit questionable. I'm going to use the word questionable. But for today's video, I thought I would do another day in my life. I asked on my Instagram yesterday what kind of videos you wanted to see from me. My bubble's falling out. A few of you said like vlogs, day in my life, things like that. So that is what we're going to be doing today. So it's a Tuesday. I have my day off on a Tuesday, which I don't really mind. I used to hate it. I used to have Fridays off, and I used to literally love having Fridays off because then I'd have Friday, Saturday and Sunday off work, so the whole weekend doing whatever I wanted to be doing. But now that I've got Tuesdays off, it's nice to go in on a Monday and then know you're not in the next day. Do you get what I mean? So I've not really got loads of stuff to do today, so it's going to be a pretty average day in my life. I've got some bits to return. I'm going to go and see my sister, pick my little sister up from school and things like that. So it's just going to be like a little chilled one today. But yeah, I thought I'd take you along with me. So far today I have taken Oak to work. So I woke up at 7 o'clock, took Oak to work for 8 o'clock, come back. Then I thought, okay, I'm not going to go back to sleep. I'm going to be productive today. It's now 10 to 10. So I haven't gone back to sleep, but I haven't been productive. I've literally just got back into bed. And I've been watching a bit of YouTube on my iPad. So productive isn't really going very well so far. I want to get back into this routine. I used to always wake up really early on my days off and I hated it, but now I'm so lazy, like I really don't want to get out of bed ever. And I really want to change that. I like getting up earlier, being more productive with my days, and yeah, I decided not to go back to sleep, but I just haven't done anything. I've still been lazy. So if you do enjoy this video, please smash a big thumbs up, subscribe down below for more from me. Let me know if you do enjoy these kind of videos, and I will do more of them in the future. But yeah, I'm going to go and have a shower. So every time my mum does the washing, she like folds it up, puts it in a pile on the stairs for us to take up. But I've just got no room to put any more clothes. I don't want to take them in my room because it's going to make my room messy, but I've got nowhere to put them. But now the stairs look messy. Oh, it's a bit of a problem. So at some point today, I'm going to have to sort all these clothes out because I can't live on the stairs any longer. So this is the big pile of clothes that I need to take upstairs, but I've literally got nowhere to put them. My wardrobe is full. So maybe I should just take that as a sign to just like stop ordering anything else and just live with what I've got. So now that I've got out of the shower, I'm going to moisturise. I'm going to use the Glam Glow Water Burst Moisturiser. This stuff is unreal. I'm already like halfway through it. So I had a facial done last week and that like brings everything out of your skin. So I need all the moisture that I can get, and this moisturiser is just unreal. Like, look at the glow. So while that just kind of sinks into my skin, I'm going to quickly dry my hair. So my hair's all dry. I've just straightened it as well. I was going to curl it, but I can't really be bothered. I've got some filming to do later, so I might curl it later. But for now, we're rocking the straight hair. And we're just going to pop on a little tiny bit of makeup. If you would have watched my full face of first impressions, you would have seen that I used a Bare Minerals powder foundation. And oh my god, game changer. I really wanted to use that today, but I've left it at Oak's house. I'm going to pop on some primer first of all. This is the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. Just in like my T-zone where my pores are the biggest. Even though we're not wearing foundation, I feel like this makes such a big difference to how your skin looks. Now that we're all primed, I'm just going to conceal, and I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Cashmere, which is 327. I'm just going to pop a little bit of that under my eyes, nose, forehead, chin, and then just cover up any little spots that I've got going on. And then I'm just going to blend all that in. Then I'm just going to go in with the Rimmel Stay Matte powder and just dust that all over my face. I'm just going to bronze using the Revolution Ultra Bronze Bronzer. And then just fill in my eyebrows. I'm using the Revolution, I think it's called microblading pencil. I'm not too sure, but it's £2.50 and it's great. And then I'm just going to run some of the NYX Control Freak Clear Brow Gel through them. Clear because, as we all know, me and coloured brow gels just do not get on. And then I'm just going to pop on some mascara, and it's the Scandalise Reloaded by Rimmel. As always, I'm going to pop on a layer of that. Then I'm not going to put anything on my lips, I'm just going to use Carmex today. And we're ready to go, so I'm going to show you my outfit. So I've got on the comfiest tracksuit from Misguided. I don't think you can really tell, but it's fluffy, like soft material. So I've got the turtleneck jumper on, the joggers, and then just some Puma trainers. So it's just a cute, comfy outfit for a day like today where I'm just running around doing little bits and pieces. So now we're ready to go downstairs, make some breakfast, and then get on with the rest of the day. So for breakfast, I'm literally just going to whack some toast into the toaster. I'm not into any fancy breakfast. I don't normally eat breakfast, but because it's literally about 11 o'clock right now, I'm a little bit hungry, so I'm going to have some Marmite on toast. I can't believe we're in March already of this year. Like, it's middle of March. This year's going so fast. It's actually kind of scary. My baby sister's 7 this month as well. She's not a baby. She's going to be 7, but she's my baby sister. She's going to be 7. Can't believe she's going to be 7. She's not like your typical little girly girl. She's into like Fortnite, gaming, that's pretty much it, YouTube, things like that, but nothing girly. So for her birthday she's getting, it's like a bunk bed, well, it's not a bunk bed, it's kind of like a bunk bed, but there's like a space underneath, and underneath she's going to have a new gaming setup, getting her a PS4. She's just going to live life in her bedroom forever. So I'm just going to quickly eat this and then we can go on with the day. Let's go. So we're out the front door finally. I'm out of breath, haven't done any sort of exercise, so now I'm going to go and return these parcels, because if I don't, they're stuck with me forever. I've literally got like a day left within the 14-day period, so I am pushing it already. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to go and see my sister for a little bit and my nephew. I think we're going to go to Greg's to get some lunch. Even though I've just had 2 pizzas toast, I can always make room for a Greg's sausage roll. I haven't tried the vegan sausage roll yet. Me and Oak want to do the like testing vegan food from different restaurants video. Also, speaking about vegan food, why have Burger King brought out the Rebel Whopper? I think that is what it's called. That's like the vegan version of the Whopper, but they cook it on the same grill as normal Whoppers, so it's not suitable for vegetarians. So isn't that kind of like defeating the object of bringing out a Rebel Whopper? I don't know. It's not that cold today. Like, it is a bit cloudy. Like, the sky is definitely grey, but it's not cold, and when it's not cold, it makes me so excited for the summer. I just hope we have a really hot summer this year. I just love the sun. It makes me want to go on holiday as well, but you know, this coronavirus is going around. The world has literally gone mad, by the way. Me and Oak went to Asda the other day just to get some bits to make some chicken. Toilet roll was empty. There's no toilet roll left on the shelves. Pasta's gone, beans have gone. The world has literally gone crazy for it. Not crazy for it, but crazy about it. Can't believe it's just come out of nowhere. Took out so many thousands of people, and it's just going to disappear, just like that. Once the whole coronavirus thing has died down, I really want to book a holiday. I really want to go back to Dubai. Like, really want to go back to Dubai. That is top of my list. It's the 5 Palm. See you there. I was looking at like September time, so over my birthday, because we went in July last year, and oh my god, it was way too hot. I hate parallel parking as it is. Oh, for God's sake. Are you going, love? I'm going to attempt it again. Oh my god, I'm usually good at parallel parking, but today is a struggle. I mean, we did it. So I'm going to go return these and then I'll be back. Right, so the first job of the day is done. Parcels are returned. So now, next stop is to go and see my sister and my nephew. And go to Greg's for a sausage roll. After I've seen my sister, I think I'm going to take my car to the garage and get a quote for the dent. I think I said it in a video. Back in about November, someone hit my car, didn't leave their details. There was no cameras anywhere. Don't know how or who did it. I've got like a dent around the front wheel of my car, so I want to go get a quote to get that fixed. Put it off for so long because I didn't do it, so it's really annoying me that I have to pay to get it fixed. So I'm going to bite the bullet and I'm just going to get it fixed this month, because if I don't, I'll never get it fixed. I just hate like middle of the day traffic. Like, why are you not at work? Even though I'm not at work, why are you not at work? I don't really have much else to say right now, so see you in a bit. And just like that, we're back in the car. So I've been to my sister's, went to Greg's, had a nice donut and sausage roll, and now we're back in the car. I just went and got a quote for the dent by my wheel. £250. £250. I wouldn't mind if I didn't do it, but because I didn't do it, it's really like, I don't want to pay for it. Once it's paid for, it's done. I don't have to like think about it again. Do you know what I mean? I feel like most of this video has been in the car, but I've just been in the car. So now I'm off to pick Lily up. So it's 5 to 3 now. She finishes at 10 past 3. So I'm going to go home, get a coat first of all, so I'm not about to stand out in the rain. And then we're going to go pick Lily up from school. There you are, look.
I can only see it on there, Shan.
Huh?
I can only see it on there.
Yeah, no. Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
So I've just picked Lil up from school. What did you do at school today, Lil?
Colour.
You some colouring?
Fox.
You coloured in a fox?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
When we get in, should we have a look and see what you want for dinner?
Yeah.
I like drawing and I like doing art as well at school. My favourite.
Yeah, but you don't go to school, you go to work.
Yeah, I used to go to school when I was little.
Of course you did.
Yeah.
Ellie goes to a big school.
Yeah, Ellie goes to college now, don't she?
Yeah.
And after year 6, you go to secondary school, which is the one she went to down there. But then after that, you go to college.
I don't go to college, I might go to this work.
No, you have
At
to.
Sainsbury's.
You want to work at Sainsbury's?
Yeah.
What you got for dinner?
Curly fries.
And then what have you got in here? Chicken? Chicken and mayonnaise in a wrap. And some curly fries and some mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Want a drink?
Yes.
Yes.
Please. Because I have a game of Fortnite. Don't you, Shan?
Yeah.
And I have the alien skin, the black and white version and the pickaxe.
Lil's literally obsessed
With Fortnite.
with Fortnite and she's obsessed with playing on a Switch.
Yeah.
Always here, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then if you're a really good girl, what are you getting for your birthday?
PS4. To play Fortnite.
How old are you at the end of this month?
7.
How many days do you know?
16.
16 days.
Yeah.
No, it's not. 14.
No, 16.
14 today. So for my dinner, I'm going to make pasta. So I've got some penne pasta and then this sauce. If you haven't been to Aldi, I'm pretty sure you can get it anywhere, but this sauce is from Aldi. It's the creamy tomato and herb one. It is literally the best pasta sauce to ever exist in the whole world. It's about 50p, so love that. So I'm going to make some pasta for my dinner to eat now, and then I'm going to make a little bit extra so I can have some for work tomorrow as well. Sister duties are done, Lily's fed, now she's playing on her Switch as always. That's literally all the child does. So now I'm just going to have a little editing session. I was going to edit the video that I edited the other day to put up, but I think I'm going to start editing this one because I've posted so many hauls in a row. So I'm going to break it up a little bit, so I'm going to start editing this. Hopefully get it up. It probably won't be tonight, maybe tomorrow. I feel like this vlog is kind of boring, not gonna lie. But this is literally what I do, and I put on my Instagram what kind of videos you want to see, and quite a few of you said like vloggy style / day in my life, so this is what you asked for, guys. I want to keep it real. Like, I don't want to start like faking things. So a day in my life, I'm not going to go and do something that I literally would not normally do on a day off. So I just going to keep it real. I'm not going to fake it, but this is my life, and this is why I don't really do vlogs and don't really do like vlogs. When I do something exciting, so say me and Oak go on a date or something, I can turn that into a vlog, couldn't I? So, and also it's not just good for like you guys to see, it's good for me to keep for the memories as well. So me and Oak have watched my Dubai vlogs a few times now, and we just love looking back and watching them. I want to keep doing that with just like any day, really. Any day that I'm doing something, because this one's kind of boring because I haven't really done anything. Usually I would be seeing Oak as well, but we've seen each other literally like 4 days in a row, so we need a little break from each other. Which is why he's not in this vlog today, but I am seeing him again probably tomorrow, I'm not gonna lie, and then we're going up to my nan's for the weekend. But for now, I'm just gonna edit this vlog and then I'm gonna start filming, because I've got another haul to film, but it's not a Pretty Little Thing or Misguided, it's actually a Primark haul, and the stuff's been sitting in a bag on the floor for like a week now, so I've done all the editing that I can do. I've literally edited up to the last clip of this vlog. So with the rest of my evening, I think I'm just going to film that Primark haul, because that needs to be done. And then I have a little clean up in my room as well. Oak bought me some flowers for Valentine's Day. And they have lasted 3 weeks though, to be fair. But I think it's time. I think it's time for them to go now. They're not even red anymore. They're like purple. So it's definitely time for those to go, but I'm just going to do some filming now. Otto's awake. Should we say hello to Otto? Hello, Otto. There you go, look, you got some more food there. Enjoy. So I've finally finished filming. So the time now is 9:25. So to be honest, I'm probably just going to start getting ready for bed. I have got work tomorrow, which I'm not looking forward to, but you know. Filming's done. I've been productive today, happy with myself. But before I go to bed, I'm going to show you what I got inside Glossybox this month. So I am quite new to getting Glossybox. This is only my second box, but so far I'm really impressed with it. Like I think I paid £13 a month. So these are some of the things that were inside March's box. So we've got, I've never heard of this brand before, so it's Sebamed eye cream. Eye cream's always helpful, don't want any wrinkles. And then Sleek. Everybody's heard of Sleek makeup. So I've got this little highlighter palette, and this is in the shade Solstice. And then I did actually test them the other day when I got the box, but these are the colours that you get in there. How pretty are those? I don't think I'll ever use the purple one as a highlighter, but for on your eye when you're doing an eye look, that will be unreal. Then you've got like a creamy one at the bottom, which is really interesting. So I can't wait to use those. This is £10 alone. The brand's called Ciate, I'm pretty sure, unless I'm making it up. But this is an eyeliner stamp. Eyeliner stamp. So it just says stamp and drag. I feel like I want to test this for a video, so if you do want to see that, let me know. Because if this works, this is an absolute lifesaver. And then by Ico, I've never heard of this brand before. I've got a mini magic mascara. This is so good for travelling. You just literally just chuck it in your bag and you're good to go. And then the final thing is by Co Beauty. I've never heard of this brand, but it's just a lipstick. I'll get it out and show you. So it's kind of like a pinky nude colour. I have already opened this and had a look as well. Love that. This is in the shade Flawless. It's just like a nice little treat to yourself every month, isn't it? It's only like £13. So how can you complain when you're getting 5 products for £13? So that's pretty much it for the day. I think now I'm just going to start getting ready for bed, chill, take my makeup off, that sort of thing. Find something to watch on the telly. I'm just going to get probably an early night. Because like I said, back at work tomorrow. So I've booked Monday off, thinking, yes, I'll have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday off. But it just comes around so quick, like it's Wednesday already tomorrow. Great. But I'm going to end the video here. If you did enjoy it, make sure you let me know. Leave me a comment down below, let me know if you did enjoy it. I do really enjoy filming these more vloggy style of videos. I think they're just a lot more chilled, laid back, and just, they're fun to watch back in the future, do you know what I mean? So I'm just going to get rid of all the crap that's left on my bed, get into my pyjamas, and then put something on the telly. Not really worth filming. So I'm going to feed Otto, take my makeup off, get into bed and just chill. So if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more from me. And other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.